Going to School, in partnership with the Government of Karnataka, Oracle, BT Group, the British Asian Trust and Bangalore FC Soccer Schools kick off Match Day 2026 in Bangalore *. Bangalore, 28th February 2026, *. Going to School, through and more with the Government of Karnataka, brings dynamic future-ready skills to school for girls in grade 5 to 10 government schools. The outdoor school for girls and boys, supported by exciting partnerships with Oracle, BT Group, the British Asian Trust and Bangalore FC, is designed to equip her with the skills she needs to transition from grade to grade and one day soon, to make the jump from school to the future of work or sustainable enterprise startup of her choice in the city. Through design-driven stories, games, football and technology, young people learn the skills they need to be able to access new green jobs and create new sustainable startups that solve for climate change and create green jobs. Match Day brought together 2,000 girls and boys, their teachers, 100 volunteers from partner organizations and all of our partners in dialogue with young people, from fun Q&As on the pink and green football stage, to 9-10s for coding challenges led by Oracle and BT Group volunteers. The Bangalore FC women's team showed us all the power of the great game, to bring us all together to play, learn and design for citywide inclusion and change. 28th February, Bangalore. Going to School, a creative not-for-profit trust, in partnership with the Government of Karnataka, Oracle, and British Telecom, BT Group, the British Asian Trust and Bangalore FC kicked off Match Day, an ecosystem celebration and collaboration for girls, boys as allies to girls, life skills, digital skills, education, sport, the city, climate change and technology. It's always a good day when we get the chance to go outside and play together *. Taking place at the Jai Prakash Narayan Sports Ground in JP Nagar, Bangalore, and welcomed over 2,000 girls F.
Lisa, I'm here from Going to School. Today is Match Day in Bangalore. We're so excited that Kamal from Oracle and Sampath from Oracle and all of our Oracle volunteers are out here to help us do Match Day. Match Day is a celebration of girls, skills, technology, AI, and football. And so it's really hot. I'm really glad that everyone's out here today. But we've had a wonderful discussion on the stage. And our other partners are here as well from BT Group, from Veena and Prakash. And so this is really a coalition partnership for Match Day, where we have an MOU with the government of Karnataka to be able to run the outdoor school for girls, which on every day is learning about skills and digital skills to be able to complete your education. And on alternate days, then it's football. So it's the first program that we know of that has football as part of a skills program. And we're really thankful to all of our partners. We couldn't do this without you. And we also couldn't do it without our volunteers. So we have wonderful volunteering events that happen throughout the year. This is the kind of end celebration of it, which we call Match Day. And there was a wonderful discussion on the stage about AI, the future of AI, education and careers. I think we also talked about women and the skills that women learn through sports that make really super, successful. Kamal, is there anything you'd like to say?
Yeah, the program is unique because of its very integrated approach. And all the skills the children learn on the football, grounds, help them in real life, personal skills and professional skills. Most importantly, all that they learn through technology will help them to use technology for good, for solving real-world problems like climate change. Ask we women. We have been affected by climate change. Many women, because there's a disproportionate responsibility that women carry. If there is a water shortage, a woman has to fetch for it in rural homes. So, telling children, sensitizing women, girls to find solutions which help other women. I just love that spirit. And STEM education, that's interdisciplinary approach. And what our children will learn through STEM education, problem solving, analytical thinking, that's the way AI will help. Otherwise, we want human intelligence to reign supreme. In school education, we want our children to learn foundational literacy, reading, writing, maths, communication. Use AI a little later on and love their teachers, their friends. AI cannot replace human beings.
Thanks. Tell us something about the coding, no? What you doing?
And we've been doing with British Telecom. We did 5 Fridays last year, 5 Fridays for volunteering. So every Friday, BT, we're out building apps on a government school. I think you have something ready to talk about.
Yes, exactly. And thanks Going to School for this great opportunity. And last event it was 5 Fridays. So every time we just hit the government school, we just check the real-time problems at the ground level. So what is happening with all the challenges at the school level the kids are facing? Is it on the communication lacking, or is it on the confidence building, or is it something the school is not having a proper infrastructure in place? So how we can pitch into the CSR activity? On that basis, we have developed an app. So more on it, Prakash would be happy to share it.
So, yeah, thank you, Veena. So we actually took a design thinking approach together with Going to School volunteers. So what do I mean by that? So we understood what are the real-time challenges of the government school, and the kids themselves told us what are the real-time problems. And together with kids, through the design thinking approach, we identify what is the best solution. And with that best solution, we have come up with an app like School Repair app, Parents-Teacher Communication app, and the storytelling app. And trust me, this has been, all these 3 apps has been indeed created by kids together with the coding skills. But we have taught them how the basic coding skills can help them come up with an app. They are very excited to see the app coming out. Yes, it's a prototype what we have created, but yes, in the coming future, we are planning to host it in a platform so that it can be catered to all the government school across the state. Yeah.
App that they can interact and learn.
They're going to start doing the coding like with the Oracle volunteers.
And have a real-time experience of how they can interact with AI and build with AI.
Yeah.
And they've been working on this. Yeah. Okay.
We are going to build with